Hello, my name is Maya Smith. I'm a founder of Myaderma, and today we're going to talk what makes Myaderma great product and how we are different from all these products presented on market. Well, what makes Myaderma different and quality products, that's secret of a 3 generation. My grandmother developed the recipes for these natural skincare products, and me and my mother inherited these recipes and we continued the tradition. Well, the secret of Myaderma natural skincare is the small quantities, which allows us to have a very pure natural ingredients and also natural ingredients which is very difficult to achieve in a mass-produced product. Well, for example, beeswax or grapeseed oil or olive oil, that's a natural products included in our skincare products, which beeswax very often substituted with the paraffin. And paraffin is derivative from petroleum products, and it's a very bad ingredient for your skin. But the beeswax, it's a natural organic wax, and in a skincare, it's almost like a substitute of a filler, natural filler. Well, also, being a small company based in North Carolina, we manufacture and we package all our ingredients here in the United States. And the great benefit of this, that products, they are not shipped from China or some other overseas countries. Lots of direct sale marketing companies usually require to purchase a big amount of product, and then resellers try to resell this product, and they usually have this product in a hot back of their car or in their garage or in their warehouses. So first main reason that Myaderma skincare, natural skincare, is a great product for you. It's a fresh quality ingredients manufactured in small quantities, and we are backing up these products with our code of honor. I am in this business because I inherited these recipes from my grandmother, and I'm really passionate to give you as my customers the best solution to be healthy and you look young and feel beautiful from now on.